What is that mandiri?
Mandiri is the bank.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it a very big bank or?
Yes. The second biggest bank.
Okay. So it was like an old town here, right?
Yes, this is the old town.
Okay. Yeah, I can see the heritage lamps and all.
Yeah, because this is the golden hour. That is the restaurant Stiegel. They sell liquor and kind of cocktails.
But like I heard like liquor is banned here.
No, but it's expensive because of the tax.
Okay.
Yeah, so not everyone can afford.
Afford it. Okay.
Yeah, that is the Gedung Marba. Yeah, this is the office now for legals. And then that one is Taman Sri Gunting. This one.
So that's the church, right?
Huh?
That's the church.
Yeah.
So that's the church, right?
That's the Protestant church, the biggest one in Semarang.
Wow, that's nice. Yeah, lights are on. Golden hour.
Yeah, this is called Gereja Belendung. Belendung means
Dome. Ah. Is this a hotel?
no, this is the bar.
Okay.
Actually, if you have a lot of stuff, you can go around there.
Yeah, okay. As you wish.
This is the restaurant. That's nice.
It's a good contrast. Old city and Starbucks.
Yes.
That 22 must be an old font, right? So the sky really looks beautiful, amazing.
That's why it's called golden hour. I thought we will go there.
You mentioned there's a old tree.
We will go there.
Okay,
first,
yeah, I can see the
then
old
we
phone.
can go back here.
Yeah, I can see the phone, old phone.
Yeah.
Cute koala. Yeah, it looks like very old building, right?
Yes. This is called rumah akar.
Okay. What's the
Rumah akar means root house.
root house?
Yeah, you will see why.
Okay.
Because you see, there is road.
Yeah, okay.
There.
The root actually, the tree took over the building.
Yes, true. Then even if you want to take a picture, this is the
Yeah.
best spot.
Yeah. The old town is beautiful.